to be in some gatherings. If Allah gave the Quran today, probably would have given us, different, more relevant instructions for our time. Technology has changed. The world has changed. They didn't go through what we're going through. When Allah called this Al-Furqan, that this is going to be Al-Furqan from now until the end of times. Whatever changes human beings go through, technology can change, the clothes we wear can change, travel can change, the design of our homes can change, our language can change, all of those things can change. One thing that never changes? Human nature. Greed is always greed. Temptation is always temptation. Anger is always anger. Jealousy is always jealousy. It was jealousy 5,000 years ago. It was jealousy 10,000 years ago. It's jealousy today. Somebody used to be arrogant because they have a brand new donkey. And now they're arrogant because they have a brand new Ferrari. But it's still arrogance. It's the same thing. Those things have never changed. The things that make human beings fail have always been the same. And Allah is always separating you and me from what will cause us failure, from what will lead us to success. So don't let shaitan tell you, or yourself, your own confusion tell you, well, times have changed, therefore Quran is no longer relevant. Quran came to address human nature. With that mindset, when somebody comes to the Quran, you will get in it what is talking about you. You will no longer see it's talking about Ibrahim alayhi salam, how many thousands of years ago, or it's talking about these people from this battle or that battle. What does Badr have to do with me? What does Uhud have to do with me? What do the Israelites have to do with me? That mindset will disappear because you will read this book as something that's separating you from the bad choices you're about to make.